Our natural world is in crisis. Join the conversation today. I understand that you guys did briefly consider a prefabricated construction process at some point during the design. What came of that? What were your conclusions from studying that process?
Well, I'll jump in from a design point of view. First, you can almost see behind me the modular quality of the home we did. It was almost a natural to look at it in the later stages of design and say, what would it take to take this stick built, essentially custom built home and turn it into something that's offsite factory built. Not too much. Actually, not too much.
Yeah.
These elements actually could, each be essentially a box on a truck delivered to site and stacked and put together. So the process of doing that would have been to take all the drawings we did and convert over into it and coordinate with the factory. There's some redundancy when you do that, and this may not be the podcast to go into those details maybe, but you've got a box that's got to have four corners that can be driven someplace. So when you put them together, you end up with a little bit of extra structure, but okay, small price maybe to pay.
So you lose an inch here, an inch there, that kind of thing.
Yeah, you might lose a wall thickness here and there because you're going to have like a double wall when these two boxes fit together. But those are sort of the means and methods of it, right? The concept of it would be something that's, I think, still very worth consideration. If we were to take this design and go forward with a modular version, I think it's eminently doable and an interesting design study to convert over to it.
And part of what makes that possible was your initial desire to have a modern home, Ginger, a modern design, because that is, if I'm correct here, that is an easier translation over to prefab than other types of design. Building the Future, Green Building in the New Millennium, brought to you by Sustainable Homes of the Future.
Yeah.